Pleasant good morning to everyone. This morning I would like to present on the topic Telangana. I would like to quickly introduce myself. I am Amarjit Kumar from the Gurukul Nilokheri. Let's have a glance at the glorified history of Telangana. The history of Telangana, located in the Deccan region, includes its governance by many rulers. It was ruled by the Satvahana dynasty 230 BCE to 220 CE, the Kakatiya dynasty 1083 to 1320, Mansunri Nayak 1326 to 1356, the Delhi Sultanate, the Brahmani Sultanate 1347 to 1512, Golconda Sultanate 1512 to 1687, and Asaf Jahi dynasty 1724 to 1950. In 1724, Nizam-ul-Mulk defeated Mughraij Khan and conquered Hyderabad. His successors ruled the princely state of Hyderabad as Nizams of Hyderabad. The Nizams established first railways, postal and telegraph networks, and the first modern university in Telangana. After Indian independence, the Nizam didn't sign the Instrument of Accession to India. The Indian Army invaded and annexed Hyderabad state in 1948. In 2014, Telangana became the 29th state of India, consisting of the 31 districts, with Hyderabad as its capital. The city of Hyderabad will continue to serve as the joint capital for Andhra Pradesh and the successor state of Telangana for a period of 10 years. I sincerely appreciate your attention. Thank you for your time.